Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in the Settings app. Open it now and go straight to Display and Brightness. You do this because Screen Timeout lives under Display Controls, so once you're there you'll see relevant choices. Make sure your phone is unlocked, and if required, authorize with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to change settings. This first step places you exactly where the Timeout menu is located. Once done, we'll dive into the specific auto-lock controls that change how long the screen's. Once in Display and Brightness, find and tap auto-lock to reveal time choices from 30 seconds up to never. You should pick a duration that balances battery life versus convenience. Shorter for better battery, longer if you read a lot. If auto-lock is grayed out or missing, make sure low power mode is off and that your device isn't supervised by a work profile. Those can restrict changes. After choosing, the phone applies it immediately, so you'll notice the new timeout right away. You've set auto lock, now confirm by locking the screen and leaving it idle to see if it sleeps at the new interval. If the device doesn't adopt the change, restart your iPhone and repeat the steps. A reboot clears temporary glitches that block settings. If auto lock remains unavailable, check for a configuration profile or corporate management. Contact your admin to lift restrictions. That's the key troubleshooting tip. Restricted or managed devices, not the phone itself, often prevent timeout adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.